everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to learn about letter G. Capital letter G. And what is the sound of letter G? G. 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 Letter G. And what is the sound of letter G? G. Sound of letter G. G. Okay. G. G. Girl. G. G. Grapes. G. Grapes. G. Gift. G. Gift. G. Gun. G. Gun. Now, how to make letter G? Given 4 lines. Okay. How to make letter G? First, we have to draw C. Go up and make a slipping line. Then after, standing line. So this is letter G. G. G.